Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make crispy baked potato skins with cheese sauce. Bake the potatoes, cut side face down on a parchment paper lined baking sheet at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes based on size until cooked through. Cool slightly, then scoop out some of the inner potato to leave an indent. In a small bowl, combine the olive oil, a quarter teaspoon salt and chili powder, and mix well. Baste the cut side of the potatoes and reheat face up on the same pan at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes or until crispy. While reheating, blend the cashews, hot water, pimentos, lemon juice, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and 1 teaspoon salt to make the cheese sauce in a blender until very smooth. It may take a few minutes. Pour over the potato skins, garnish with chopped green onions, and serve right away. Chef Alyssa's cheese sauce is a vegetarian, non-dairy version using cashews. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.